Candlestick patterns are one of the most powerful trading concepts. They are simple, easy to identify, and very profitable setups. A research has confirmed that candlestick patterns have a high predictive value and can produce positive results. Candlestick patterns are the language of the market. Imagine you are living in a foreign country, and you don't speak the language. How could you live if you can't even say a word? It's tough, right? The same thing when it comes to trading. If you know how to read candlestick patterns the right way, you will be able to understand what these patterns tell you about the market dynamics and the trader's behavior. This skill will help you better enter and exit the market in the right time. In other words, this will help you act differently in the market and make money following the smart guy's footprints. The candlestick patterns that I'm going to show you here are the most important patterns that you will find in the market. In this chapter, I'm not going to show you how to trade them, because this will be explained in details in the next chapters. All I want you to do is focus on the anatomy of patterns and the psychology behind its formation, as this will help you gain the skills of easily identifying any patterns you find in the market and understand what it says for you to do next. If you can get these skills, you will be ready to understand and master trading strategies and tactics I will teach you in the future. Chapter 1. The engulfing bar candlestick pattern. Plastering bar, as stated in its title, is formed when fully swallowed the previous candle. A swallowing bar can swallow more than one candles before, but considered a swallowing bar, at least one candle should be consumed completely. Bearish engulfing is one of the most important candlesticks pattern. This candlestick pattern consists of two bodies. The first body is smaller than the second, in other words, the second body swallowed the previous one. See the illustration below. This is how a bearish engulfing bar pattern looks like on your charts. This candlestick pattern gives us valuable information about bulls and bears in the market. In case of a bearish engulfing bar, this pattern tells us that sellers are in control of the market. When this pattern occurs at the end of an uptrend, this indicates that buyers are engulfed by sellers, which signals a trend reversal. See the example video. As you can see, when this price action pattern occurs in an uptrend, we can anticipate a trend reversal because buyers are not still in control of the market, and sellers are trying to push the market to go down. You can't trade any bearish candlestick pattern you find on your chart. You will need other technical tools to confirm your entries. We will talk about this in detail in the next video. Right now, I just want you to open your chart and try to identify all bearish candlesticks patterns you find. Please click the subscription button and turn on the notification button so that you get notified for the next video. Thank you.